Administrative Aid 4 to Admin Assistant 3 from 2018 to 2020. With her dedication and resilience to desire for excellence, she was promoted as Training Specialist 4 under the Department of Social Welfare and Development. With this kind of work she has, she ensured that every voice is heard and perspective of all sectors are acknowledged. For her, success is not just about personal achievement. It is about creating a ripple effect that positively impacts others and fosters a collaborative, diverse environment where everyone has the chance to thrive. Let us all welcome Ma'am Mary Chris Pascual. Let's also hear from them a story behind their success.
To our esteemed guest for today, Belle Amba, JCI officers and members, dear friends, and those who are present today, good morning. Just a few weeks ago, I was approached by JCI Tuguegarao Macasta for an interview on the role of women in the community. At that time, I was filled with hesitation, overwhelmed by self-doubt. I questioned myself, what am I gonna say? Could I answer all the questions? Or worse is, what if I might say something wrong or inappropriate? All of these thoughts almost convinced me to decline the interview. Yet, despite the doubts swirling in my mind, my heart remained steadfast. Without hesitation, I accepted the challenge. And this, I believe, is how women are. Women, for me, are descendants ng isang mandirigma. Laging handa sa kahit anumang hamon ng buhay. Tama ba? Agree po ba? Okay. Kung agree po tayo, pakisabi po sa ating katabi, isa kang bayani at kasama ka sa paghubog ng isang bagong Pilipinas. Sabihin po natin, isa kang bayani at kasama ka sa paghubog ng isang bagong Pilipinas. Today, I stand before you with a heart overflowing with deep gratitude and appreciation. I am deeply honored and humbled by this recognition given by JCI Tuguegarao Macasta. This achievement is not just mine alone, but is attributed to all Filipino women who have paved the way for a better future, who have fought tirelessly for equality, strength, and progress in every corner of our society. In the past, women were often pushed aside and had to constantly fight for their place in society. But today, we are witnessing a powerful shift. We no longer need to prove our worth because the world has already seen it. Women today are rising up in every sphere. And our achievements are not just personal victories, but are milestones for our entire nation. As a training specialist, I have seen firsthand how the right training and development opportunities can unlock the full potential of women, empowering them with the skills, confidence, and knowledge they need to succeed. However, the impact goes far beyond just acquiring skills. It's about fostering an environment where women are not only seen, but also valued and appreciated for their contributions. It's about creating a space that empowers them to step into their roles with pride, standing strong and confident in their place within the community. The theme, Babae sa lahat ng sektor, aangat ang bukas sa bagong Pilipinas, serves as a reminder that women are not merely contributors, but are essential agents for transformation towards isang bagong Pilipinas. This highlights the essential role of women in paving the way for a more promising and progressive future. So from this day forward, let us continue to uplift one another. Together, we rise, we lead, and together, we build a future where the next generation will no longer again feel undervalued or marginalized. Let us ensure that the voices of women are not just heard, but truly appreciated. That our contributions are not only valued, but celebrated. Sama-sama nating itayo ang bandila ng isang bagong Pilipinas. Again, thank you for recognizing not just me, but all extraordinary women who continue to inspire and lead with grace and courage. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang mga kababaihan.
Thank you so